Hello everyone, so welcome to another tutorial with Wizard. So in this tutorial we want to change this title here. Okay, and let's say I don't have any idea or I'm lost. I lack I'm tied between the kind of title to use. So Wizard gives us the suggest feature. Okay, it gives us an alternative text. Okay. So with this selected, I can just click on the suggest and let's see what it generates for us. Okay, so I can click generate academic calendar. No, let's try this. School event organizer. Let's try another one. Task scheduler. Channel school agenda. Schedule planner. Academic calendar. I think I like this one. So I can just click replace, and then that's it. All I need to do is to adjust this. Okay, I can do this here. And I think this isn't the right place for it. This UI should be here. This should be here, and then this should rather come up. Okay, so I can move this up a bit. Sorry. So let me multi-select by putting the shift key and then use the up arrow key to move it up. I think I like this. That's quite okay. So the rest you can just decide to tweak or make changes to your UI. So basically, this it's about it, using the suggest feature and Wizard. Thank you for watching.